what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is OPPO Find X7 and there is no Pro. Why there's no X7 Pro? That's because they believe that vanilla version, the X7 version, the basic version is better than the Pro version. So is it true? Let's take a quick look. So this is the X7 version. For the Ultra, it supports 2 periscope lens here. So as you can see, the camera module is way bigger and also thicker if you view from this side, right? So that's probably the biggest difference between the two. So for others, they are almost the same. Alright, starting from the top, we have the infrared blaster and also the noise mic. Here, the same as the Ultra, it has this slider to, the customized keys, right? Move to the bottom, we have the SIM card slot, Type-C, and also the speaker and the noise mic here. Move to the right side, we have the power key and also the volume rocker. Very classic OPPO design, and move to the back, and here how it looks. Alright, I'm gonna take a few photos here. One. And also the photo. That looks so good. Video. So let me check the video. For the front camera, it supports up to 4K 30 fps, which is a little bit lower than the Ultra version, which supports 4K 60. So let me just walk around a little bit. So all right, seems a little bit too shaky, I don't know. Okay, let's take some photos. Wow, see, super wide, right? 3, 6. Let me just try to, if we can see clear the model, the axis. Okay, let's. Okay. Alright, so this is the OPPO Find X7 vanilla version. Let's just walk around. Let's check it out. See the stabilization. Also, okay, 18 times. Great. Seems unhappy, so we don't take videos of her. Okay, that's it. Okay, 18 times. Great. Seems unhappy, so we don't take videos of her. Okay, that's it. Alright, that is the first look of X7. It seems pretty legit, right? The camera performs not bad, and also, a bunch of other things. But I have really tight time in the launch event, so I'm gonna do a detailed review later if I have a chance. So please subscribe. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.